Hello, I'm Wesley Thomas, Regional Sales Manager here at VTS America, and welcome again to our Atlanta hub. I wanted to go over a few things about our different coil options here at VTS, which we have quite the variety of. First of all, VTS offers a full line of in-house hot water and chill water coils. These coils are up to 8 rows and half-inch tube diameter. With these tube diameters, you have 10 fins per inch, so in either a stainless steel or galvanized casing. We also offer a full line of DX options. So if you're looking for DX coils, we have up to 6 rows in the DX coil option. If you want to partner your VRF system with a VTS air handler, which is quite common, we do have you covered there as well. So with our VTS coils, with our DX options, we do have a dual temperature, high performance, high pressure coil that pairs very well with most every VRF option out there. Moving on from there, if you need to meet the Buy American Act on any of your projects, maybe any government facilities or military projects, all we need to do is purchase from one of our many coil manufacturers inside the United States, and we can meet the Buy American Act for any of those projects as well. Also, speaking on custom coil manufacturers, if you need a 5/8 tube diameter or maybe more fins per inch to meet a parameter you need to meet, we have those options available. With our custom coil manufacturers, generally our lead times stay down to the 6 weeks or below lead times as well. So do quite a bit of business with those guys, so they keep us well stocked and place orders with those guys every day. So keep us in mind if you have any questions about any of our coils or you need any other coil options such as steam or any other kind of face and bypass coils, please contact your regional sales manager and we'll see if we can take care of you from there. Thank you.